In this video, I will show you how you can take astrophotos of the stars, moon, or the night sky using your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the camera app, then tap on More. Now from this menu, just tap on Expert RAW. From here, just install the Expert RAW extension on your phone. Once the Expert RAW extension is downloaded on your phone, then tap on More in the camera app and tap on Expert RAW. Now just give this extension all these permissions. And after you do that, now in the Expert RAW section, just tap on the beaker icon, and from this menu, just tap on Astrophoto. Now after you do that, then you will enable Astrophoto in your camera app. Now after you select Astrophoto, and from here, just select your capture time. You have the option for short, medium, or long. Now after you do that, then you will be able to use Astrophoto to capture stunning photos of the night sky using your Samsung phone. Now just keep in mind that this feature will not work during daytime or when the camera of your Samsung phone detects light. As you can see, if I lift my phone off the table and if I capture a photo, as you can see, we have already enabled Astrophoto. As you can see, the photo came out overly exposed. Because this mode is designed to be used to capture details of the night sky. Now to get the best results, just place your phone on a tripod because even minor shakes can make the photos come out blurry. Now after you place your phone on a tripod, just point the cameras of your phone to the night sky and select the long option from here. And after you do that, then just tap on the shutter button and it will keep the shutter open of the camera app from 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And after you do that, then you will be able to capture stunning photos of the night sky. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.